Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is privatization versus making government authorities more responsible. Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays we are seeing this thing that most of the government organizations are going into private hands. The government of India is taking these such decisions that there are certain sectors of government which must be converted into private firms. Some people are liking this step and some people are completely disliking this step because a large number of issues are related to this particular step which the government of India is taking. Ladies and gentlemen, here I am not talking about whether the government of India is doing good or bad. I'm not here to talk about this debate that whether the step that is happening, it is in positive direction or the negative direction, but here I'm specifically concentrating on the mentality of the employees who are working in different government sectors or private sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, as an employee, it is not important that whether we are working in government organization or a private organization. Our commitment level towards our organization, that is more valuable, that is more important. If we have studied something, we have done graduation and post-graduation in a particular field, and depending on that, if we have acquired a job, it is our moral responsibility to accomplish the job successfully and properly. Whatever responsibilities have been thrown upon us by our organization, whether it is government or private, it is our moral and ethical responsibility to accomplish all those responsibilities successfully. We must be honest in whatever responsibilities have been assigned to us. If we are honestly accomplishing all our responsibilities, we will establish our credibility as thorough professionals. We will establish our credibility as great personalities in our own professional world. And this is what a professional always requires. When a person gets retired, after retirement, that person is known only because of the achievements that he has achieved during his service time. Whatever a person did during his service time, that counts in terms of reputation. And even after retirement, people know a particular person only because of his performance, only because of the task that he did when he was a working employee in some organization, whether it is government sector or private sector. One crucial thing is whatever decisions the government of India has taken, whatever decisions the central government has taken, we common people, we are absolutely powerless to change those decisions. We are absolutely powerless to change those decisions because whosoever is in power, we have to work according to that person's wishes. Doesn't matter to which party he belongs, doesn't matter to which political agenda he belongs. Our responsibility as citizen of the country is just to follow the rules. So we can talk on this debate that whether it is good or bad, whether the current government is good or bad, that is a different issue and that is not going to affect common people's life. But the point here is what is our honesty level according to whatever changes that are happening in this country. What is our own commitment and honesty level depending upon the changes that are taking place in any industry. If you are employee of a government sector and you are highly honest, you are working with full dedication and commitment, there should be no downfall in the level of dedication and commitment if that organization gets converted into a private entity. Your commitment level, your dedication level towards your responsibilities, that should not go down. Because if that goes down, it means that you are not a thorough professional. Ladies and gentlemen, the point here is whether we are having dedication towards our task or whether we are having dedication towards the organization where we are working. Because in private sector also people keep changing their organization. But if they change their dedication level, if they change their commitment level, they will never be able to work in any of the private organizations and they will be soon thrown out. That's why doesn't matter what decisions government of India is taking. My commitment level towards my organization should be intact. If I am an honest employee of a particular organization, I should remain honest throughout my life. If I am working with full dedication 24/7 in a particular organization, when the management of that organization changes from government to private, my dedication level should not go down. I should show the same level of commitment and dedication because the same organization is paying me monthly salary. There may be variation in salary, there may be variation in perks depending upon the government sector and transformation into private sector. But if I lose my commitment level, I will basically forget the tasks that I actually do. And once I forget the task, I will be good for nothing. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, something which is not in your hand, please don't bother about it. Please don't make any changes in your commitment level towards your organization, because something which is not in your hand, you are absolutely not responsible for it, and you should not even bother about it. This is the fact of life. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer, BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.